Are you a creative student with a passion for aesthetics and design? Do you dream of making a career out of your artistic talents? Cedarville University's Bachelor of Arts in Studio Art program could make that dream a reality. In Cedarville's Studio Art program, students get the opportunity to explore and master traditional methods and materials, like painting, drawing, printmaking, sculpture, and ceramics, as well as more contemporary practices, like multimedia and installation work. In short, we want to come alongside your passion and give you the tools and training to find and express your God-given artistic voice. Here at Cedarville, the collaboration between professional faculty and passionate students is also a collaboration between fellow believers, all of whom use art as a means for expressing a living faith. Our biblical approach to artistry sets Cedarville apart from secular art schools, making it perfect for Christian artists who want to dedicate their art to the Lord. Small class sizes, high academic standards, and a biblical worldview make Cedarville's art program stand out amongst other art schools. There are many career paths available to our grads and real-world application for those with the God-given passion to see it through. Consider pursuing Cedarville's studio art degree and furthering your creative abilities to the glory of God.